We are live. Let's go, chat. Good morning. Good morning. We are live. I need to change my headphones. Let's do this, chat. Happy Thursday. It is open day. Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Sean Evans is here. Jorby Trades is here. Good morning. Good morning. Let me double check some things. Why is my... Please tell me we're not having internet issues. Okay, I don't think so. Tell me we're not having issues. Are you kidding? Stream, everybody. Refresh the stream. Hello? Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Man, we're still having issues. Hello? Yeah, we're lagging really bad. Testing 1, 2. I think I fixed it. I think. Fingers crossed. Refresh your stream. I think I fixed it. Let's hope. All right, market is open. We are trading these take profit accounts again. Once again. Yeah, the Wolf 9. The air quality here in Ohio is really bad. The smoke from the Canadian wildfires are really bad here in Ohio today. Hey, good morning, Jorby Trades. John, Timbo, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I think we're live. Clarity Trader, good morning. Louise, good morning. Frosty Ducks is here, good morning. Antonio, VAT1, Mr. Wall Street, good morning. I think Touchdown, Clarity Trader, Brian M. Black Coffee is here, good morning. Nathan, good morning. Dean Bishop. Robert Digital, good morning. The Wolf 92. Yeah, I'm going to try to stay inside today. The air quality today is really bad. All right, we are live, I think. Hopefully the stream is working again. I'm obviously... We're going to try to get these take profit accounts past halfway. We're just going, looks like we're getting a rip higher here right at the open. She wants to rip it. Did you hear John and I are moving to Sarasota? Are you serious, Timbo Trades? Are you serious? Like, are you being for real? I'm telling you what, I'm not joking. Sarasota, as far as a place that is like up and coming, like Sarasota is actually turning into one of the hot spots in Florida. I'd rather be in Sarasota than Miami. Hey, Latex, good morning. Diego, good morning. Nevada, good morning. Kid Poker, good morning. Yeah, it is starting to happen every year with Canada. I don't know what's going on up there, but lots of forest fires, lots of wildfires, and just, man, the smoke here in Ohio is pretty bad this morning. Like, you can actually smell it. Yeah, 100% Sarasota over Miami. Yep, I agree. 100%. But tell me, John, Timbo, for real, your life is going to change. Get ready. I love it, Timbo. Timbo, if you and John, if you move to Sarasota, I'll take you guys out for lunch. Trust me. I will do it. Or maybe we can go golf or something. All right, let's pay attention. Okay. So a little bit of an update on the overnight session. Overnight session update. I am not exactly happy. It's not terrible, but I'm a little bit annoyed. So I gotta show you guys this. So last night, let me just show you guys my Apex accounts. Well, actually, I'll give me a minute. Let's watch the market first, and then we'll talk about overnight session in a minute. I'm gonna, if we get a move here to the 420s, I'm gonna look for a long. Come on down. Don't go without me. We're catching a falling knife here. I'm not going to hang around for much. We really not getting any bounce here on the 400s? 420s? Hello? Hello? Rip it? Give me that big rip. I want a big rip. No, that's not it. Come on. Come on. I got to get out. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. We got to wait. Maybe we want to test the overnight lows. I don't know. This thing might dump. We had a pretty decent overnight session. We just kind of just kept going lower. Still think we bounce here, but all right, I'm going to try it again. We're going to try it again. Come on, go. Just go. 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 I don't have the patience for this. Might try again. Yeah, now we're... All right, we try again. And I did not get filled. Ah, that's rude. didn't get filled, and now we get the bounce I'm looking for. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's what I was looking for at the 420s. Oh, that's unbelievable. Unreal. Just didn't fill me. I might jump in here. Don't leave me hanging. Uh-oh. Oh, that's so bad. I hate the market open. What? We are still dropping frames? Stupid. My stupid internet. Is the stream still bad? Hey, good afternoon, Jim JB. Lakewood Ranch. Yeah, Lakewood Ranch is awesome. University Parkway, all that area is really good. You're going to get me on a boat? I don't know about that, John. There's a lot of people have tried to get me on a boat. I don't know about that. Is the stream good? Okay. All right. All right. Well, we are just I'm gonna wait now and see if we take out this overnight low. Here we go. I'm gonna take a stab here at the 380s. Uh-oh. Ribbit. Uh-oh. Thank you. I don't know about that. That was a terrible fill. Terrible fill on the close of that. Jeez. It's another wild day. It's another wild day. Wow. Look at that rip. 420s. Pretty strong trend line on. Hey, I thought you liked boats. I mean, a pontoon, but a pontoon is different than a boat. Yes, I love pontoons and going out on a lake where I can see land at all times. I love that. That's awesome. But you start putting me out on water where I can't see land, that's a problem. That's a problem. I want to be able to tell if something happens and we go overboard, I at least want to know what direction is the right direction to swim towards. All right. I want to know where land is. I need to be able to see land. So if something does happen, I know I'm swimming at least in the right direction. I mean, I don't think that's asking for too much. John, what did you just share? I'm on a boat. Free boat ride for 3. Look at this, sweeping the overnight low. I might take this. Come on, just don't leave me hanging here, market. John. All right, market, fine. I don't know why I'm trying to. I mean, if this overnight low doesn't hold, then we're going to look for shorts. Come on, give me a bounce. Let me get out of this. I hate you. I hate you, market. All right, we're just dipping down through the 340s on the daily chart. This is, I mean, this is kind of a key area here at the 300s, and but I don't know. Maybe we're just going to rip right down through it. It might be one of them days. Oh, now it's going to. Okay, last chance. Last try. Don't do it. Digging yourself out of the hole. All right, I'm about to look for shorts. I'm sick of this. I'm about to look for shorts. Man, this thing just wants to go lower. 320s. High time frame support demands. Yeah, I know, Robert. I agree. I mean, the 300s are a pretty key level. I want to think that we are going to go see, like, we're going to see a bounce here, but right now it's not looking too good. Not looking good for the bulls. All right, right there is your 15-minute opening range, 223 points. All right. Man, what a dump. $320s, and it just. You know, chat, you know we're going to get a rip higher. It's going to happen. Oh, really, Maddie? You're coming to Pensacola, Florida? We got to have, by the way, I haven't even told you guys this yet, but we're going to be going to Florida this year way earlier this year than normal, because we're sending Cody to school and we're sending Kevin to school instead of doing online school. We're actually sending them to school in Florida, which means we're going to be heading to Florida in August, literally a month from now. It's crazy. So I don't know. It's we're going to be in Florida 9 months out of the year. These next 2-3 years, probably. Which it's kind of bittersweet because during the summer, I like being up here, and it really sucks for family. We're going to miss family and church family, friends. But we got to do what's right for the kids. All right, market. I don't know what we're doing here. Yeah, I think the stream is good. Look at this dump all the way down now, testing the 280s. Oh, is this going to be one of them days? Oh, man. Look at that short. Crazy, man. This doesn't look like, right now it doesn't look like we're getting any kind of bounce. Man, we're not getting any. I mean, this is starting to look. Four-hour, like the daily chart, man, this is, so far we've always had a bounce here around the 29,200s. We're a couple wicks here, but why no homeschool? So I mean, I don't mind homeschool, but for the early grades, me and my wife, we kind of, we're pretty firm believers that, like, for kindergarten, first, second, and third grade, we want them to experience school with other kids, learn how to deal with, just kind of learning how to deal with other kids and everything. So that's why we didn't want to homeschool right from the start. And that's how we did with Kevin. Like, Kevin went to school until fourth grade, and then he did homeschool. So that's why, yeah. Hey, Amakre, good morning. Christopher, good morning. This is the second day that Ninja Trader is having problems for me. G. Brooks, I have not had any issues, no. All right, this is where I'm kind of tempted to take some shorts here. I might. We get the 350, 340 area. I'm going to take a short. Man, I hope this thing doesn't rip through the skies. No way. You're going to. All right, let's go short. If you want to go lower. Come on, please don't do the V-shaped reversal. Come on. Don't be that guy. Don't do it. Don't do the V-shaped move. I'm gonna get so annoyed. You know what? I'm gonna take that. I should probably be trading micros. If I was trading 10 micros, I could take half off. I should probably do that. Yeah, that was a pretty decent short, but I just couldn't hold it. Be careful leaving them in public schools too long. Yeah, it's a private school, Mr. Wall Street. They're going to a private school in Florida, but yeah, I'm one of those that I'm not like that diehard against public schools. I think, yeah, there are some things I don't like with public schools, but for the most part, it just depends. I mean, it depends. Depends on who your teachers are and what kind of school you're sending them to, but you know, trying to shelter your kids, you can shelter them to a certain degree, but your kids are going to get exposed to what is out in there in the world that you might as well expose them and teach them how to deal with things. Coming from an Amish background and where everything is sheltered and everything is kept from you, I would rather like at least expose them to a certain extent, but then teach them how to deal with things. But to each their own. It's a fine line between, you know, it's a fine line on what you do as a parent. All right, market, there it goes, making new lows. I think I actually should maybe switch to micros. If I was trading micros here, I could probably have held that trade. But honestly, I'm going to just try to scalp like $400 at a time. And hopefully, even if we don't make it to $1,500, then I don't care. See, I actually attended, as from the Amish, we actually went to public school. I actually went to public school, you know, but that was back in the 90s. So things were a little bit different in the 90s too. So gotta remember that. First comes the Amish and then NQ. Yeah, by the way, I don't know if you guys saw or not, but Apex has a really good deal right now. If you're interested, they have a pretty decent, about as good of a deal as I've seen. I know it's the intraday accounts, but $49, no activation fees. So $49 all in price for the 50K accounts, which is a pretty good deal. Just look at what the homeschooler wants to teach. Tends to be Alex Jones' fake page. Yeah, I mean, I don't buy into that either. I think there's a happy medium. I feel bad for Apex. They hurt their reputation pretty good. I don't want to say I feel bad for them, but I'm disappointed. That's what I am. I think the way Apex has handled some things has definitely hurt them. And if, I don't know, feel like I've said this 10,000 times, but what do I know? It's like their way of communication and their marketing, like all that combination of everything is just, it's so bad. It's so bad. I mean, I think Apex is fine. I think Apex is a good firm. I really do. And I love their automatic payout approval process. There's a ton, like the whole transitioning people to live, like if that's just handled better, it would be, people would have a different perspective on it. But in reality, the new plans, the automatic approvals, you can't break a rule. Like, I love that. I love that. It's just the dark cloud of the live program has put everything just kind of on where people don't know what to expect. And most people don't go live on the first and second payout. I know that for a fact. Most people are not going live, but that's what's out there, and then that's what people believe. And you know, it is what it is. It's kind of brought upon itself, and now you're going to have to I don't know how, but rebrand, or not maybe rebrand, but just you're going to have to see people actually, you know, it's going to take time. It takes time. Once you lose trust with something, it takes time to earn it back, as it should. But I truly do still like Apex, and I really do think that they offer some of the best opportunities in the space. And it's like they got to fix their messaging. They got to fix how they communicate, or lack thereof. And just their live program needs way more clarity. Anyway, that's my 2 cents, but you know, what do I know? I'm just a streamer. They don't care what I think. You can trade in the meantime, so many as well focus on other props. Yeah. I bought 5 250K legacy accounts in past and now have 10K per funded and will request Monday. What are my odds of getting paid on those? I mean, that's the thing. If you didn't break a rule, you will get paid. You'll get paid. That's not going to be an issue. I'm not concerned. You will get paid, but it's, yeah, that's not the problem. Well, I mean, Robert Digital, yeah, I mean, I get it. But again, there's this people think that they're going to get one payout and get moved live. For most people, that's not the case. Like that is, unless you've taken out like 300,000-400,000 already from Apex, like that's not going to be the case. But your concern is not getting paid and move to live. No, you'll get paid TraderWise. They don't move. They will definitely not move you live before the payout. That's for sure. Yeah, I agree, Thoma. I agree. But anyway, we'll see. We'll just, you know, we'll keep things. I guess we'll just keep an eye on things. But like my dad used to say, I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed in you. Diego, you're waiting on your live account. You'll get it, Diego. You'll definitely get your live account. I mean, for the first time setting everything up, it takes a while, but yeah. If your first payout is max on 20 accounts, you will likely be banned from new evals and moved to live. Not really. Not really. I don't think that's the case either, Wall Street. It has more to do with how much your balance is on those. So let's say if you buy 20 accounts and in the first 8 days, you have like 15,000 to 20,000 per account in those accounts, which is like insane, but people do that. That's when you will likely get moved to live if you try to run up an account on 20 accounts. But again, if it was me, if I was the guy making decisions, you know, if I was the one making decisions, here's what I would do. To me, it's a simple solution. Just put a payout cap on the sim funded and do it per year. Like every year, like have a $200,000 to $300,000 payout cap per year. And until you reach that payout cap, you can take, like, nobody will get moved live before their 6th payout, period. I don't care. Like, that's like everybody has an opportunity to make at least 300,000 per year. And every year it resets. And if you reach 300,000, then you know, hey, you're going to get moved live on your 1st to 2nd payout. That's fair. And it's not like, that's not that difficult. In my opinion, I feel like that is not that difficult to do, but hey, nobody asked me, so what do I know? But if everybody knew that, hey, I can take 6 payouts, I can get 300,000 a year from Apex, and it resets every year, that is a great opportunity before being moved live. Obviously, in the live account, you can make millions if you want to. But to me, I just don't understand why that is so difficult and why that isn't possible. Because it gives people assurance. That's what people need right now. Right now, people don't know. And people, it's difficult, if you don't know if you're going to get moved live, it doesn't matter what I say or what Apex says. If you just don't know if you're going to get moved live after the 1st or 2nd payout, it's just not as attractive. It's like, well, I don't know if I want to try it. But if people have assurance and know, hey, I know I can do it, and I know that it's available up to this amount, I think that would be looked at it very positively. But anyway, market keeps moving higher. Crazy. Yeah, exactly, Robert Digital. It's just the peace of mind up front and knowing, like, hey, that's all that we as traders want to know. That's all we want to know. When there is this vagueness and like unknown is when it just doesn't, it's not as attractive. Yeah, I agree, high buy. I mean, I have tried my best to get them to change some things, and I almost got myself in trouble. So we shall see. Now, yeah, I know. I've been watching the Open. I'm disappointed. Spieth, all I wanted was Spieth to do well, That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Scheffler is having a good round. DeChambeau is also having a good round. I'm impressed. Well, we once again have a V-shaped move on our hands. A V-shaped move. Crazy. Oh, by the way, now we can talk about what happened in the overnight session. So in the overnight session, I was going through my accounts on Apex. Here, let me just show you guys. Like, I was looking at my Apex accounts, and I was looking, hey, I basically was double checking and making sure that I remembered correctly. And I'm like, yes, I think I only need one more day of $250, which it did show. Like, hey, we had one red day, and then we had 1, 2, 3, 4 green days of over $250, which is what I remembered, and that was great. Love it. I need one more day of $250 in profit, and then we are good to go. That is on these set of accounts. But when I check my 375 account, which is the account that's $1,000 red, when I checked that account, I needed 2 more days of $250 or more. And I remember this. So this day only did not count as a $250 day. It was an accident. I had locked myself out of trading through TradeSpace, and then I accidentally traded this account, and it immediately closed the position, as it should have. But by doing so, I took a $10 loss, and then it didn't count. So it didn't count as a $250 day. And yeah, it's annoying. So then last night I decided, you know what? I'm just going to only trade this account with my only objective is to lock in a $250 day. And well, I think you can tell how it went. It did not go well. I couldn't get a profitable trade if my life counted on it. It was terrible. So ended up hitting the daily loss limit on this account, which it is what it is. I mean, I'm just glad I didn't copy trade 10 accounts. So I'm thankful for that. I'm not that upset about this, but good grief, market. What are we doing? This is insanity. Well, at least I didn't try to short going on this move higher. We could have easily passed, or we easily could have half passed these take profit accounts. All we had to do was go long. Unbelievable. These reshape recoveries are insane. You did get a $250 day, only in reverse. Yeah, the one I did. Yeah, Bryson. Bryson is at, I mean, hey, that'd be pretty crazy if Bryson was to walk away with this. That'd be pretty crazy. He's not played well, but so far so good. I hope Scotty wins. It would be an epic Sunday if Scotty, Rory, and Bryson were in the final or at the top of the leaderboard heading on a Sunday. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Obviously, if we get a pullback here, I'm tempted to take a long. But we all know these pullbacks are V-shaped reversals, it seems like. What a rip higher. Man, oh man. Crazy. Just him in the mix is always fun. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Ooh, where did that ball land? All right, do I trust this? Gosh, I don't know. I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to try it. if this thing bamboozles me and we V-shape reverse back down, we're going to have a problem. Come on, just rip it. Rip it. I'll take that. All right, we're almost halfway. Almost halfway. But let's see. Trade day to, I keep forgetting how many days I need on that. I think I still need one more day on trade day, I think. Yeah, this is my trade day dashboard. So yeah, I have 3 days of 150. Today is going to be the 4th day, and then I need one more day. So I need one more day on trade day, then we can request another. Trying to think if I want to go for a little bit bigger day. In order to get a $2,000 payout, I would need to make like $450, $550. I think I'm just going to lock in. If I can get a $150 day, I'm going to lock that in and take another payout. I'm not going to get greedy on that. And then Lucid, we're slowly at least heading in the right direction. We did actually end up yesterday. Let me look. Lucid accounts. This is my Lucid. Yeah, we ended up with $122 red day yesterday. So just going to try to go for those $200 days, smaller days. Eventually we'll get to a payout if we do that. But slowly feel like it's a little bit better. Yes. Well, you would have 30 days to pass because the evals expire after 30 days. So if you buy the $49 plan, you have 30 days to pass. Make sure you pass within 30 days. So that's the only thing to make sure of. Samuel, it's just for evals. For evals, I'm pretty loose on my entries for with my evals, so yeah. But right now, man, this market, I don't like how the market's been acting the last actually all week. We've seen getting a lot of those V-shaped moves again. Just don't like those. Wait, what happened to Scheffler? Did I miss Scheffler? Scheffler must have had a bogey. Does the free activation fee go away when the promo goes away? No, John. Not really. So these accounts, okay, let me make sure you guys are knowing. Okay, hang on, chat. I got to do some education here. I want to make sure you guys don't buy the wrong account. But if you're used to buying from Take Profit Trader, yeah, here, this is what you need to buy for the $49 deal. So, okay, so what you want to do is make sure you go select 50K, intraday, and no activation fee. Okay, see that? That's the $49. So just make sure you select, if you select standard, then the price is still not, I mean, that's still a really good deal as well. it's $19 if you do the 5-pack, but then it's a $59 activation fee. That ends July 21st. So both of these promotions end on July 21st. But I'm assuming by July 21st, if you select this plan, it's just going to, the price is just going to be higher. So the price is just going to be higher in that case. But the reason it's different than Take Profit Trader, because Take Profit Trader, you know, you just get a no activation fee, but make sure you actually, with Apex, make sure you actually buy the account that has no activation fee. But either way, but hey, yeah. And using, obviously, thank you for using code NBT. I really do appreciate it. I really, really do appreciate it, everybody. Thank you. The best code. No, I won't say that. Nutty answers questions like a politician. Did Apex ever announce how they would handle European customers which are not allowed to go live? Why would a European not be allowed to go live? Yeah, the deals are great with Apex. It's just the live stuff. I know. Always use NBT. Thank you. I really appreciate you guys. It's $0 activation fee for 30-day time frame. Yes or no? Yes. Basically, that's the case all the time, Wall Street. So because the activation, or not the active, because the eval, so the eval will expire in 30 days after you purchase it. That's the case for all evals, not just this promotion. So after 30 days, the eval is just going to disappear into the Ethernet. So you just need to make sure that you pass it or blow it. But either way, just don't buy a bunch now and then never use them, which is why, I mean, if you disagree or not, but the reason that Apex did that is because people would buy hundreds and hundreds of backup accounts when the sales were going. So that's why they did the 30 days it expires. I don't know. Is what it is. Yes, Niles, I actually showed him. After taking out the high, yeah, we got to take out this 520 level, but right now we're just in a chop area. This thing could roll over. We could see a rollover here and just right back down. It's been doing that. They could fix that by limiting account purchase to 20. That's not wrong, Mr. Wall Street, but then, you know, if someone's trying to pass 20 accounts at a time, you know, if you limit the purchase to 20 per 30 days, I mean, that gives them one chance. One chance to, I don't know. Yeah, there's probably different ways they could do it, but all right, let's see if this is going to, man, I'm tempted. If we come back and test the 420s, probably going to take a stab at this at the 420 area. I'm just scared this is going to be a V-shaped reversal right back down. All right, I'm going to try it here. We're going to take a stab. We're going to front run this a little bit. Just get back up into this area is all I want. Oh, dear. Unbelievable. No. Are you? Should have waited. Should have waited. This is very dangerous. I did this yesterday and it didn't work. Please don't do it to me again. No. I'm going to get so upset if this rips lower. Come on. Stupid V-shaped moves. Ah, no. We're going to get a bounce. Come on. We're going to get a bounce. Come on, go. That's it. Now rip it. Rip it. Oh, don't do the hope and nope. Don't do the hope and nope. Go. Now keep going. Keep going. Okay, how much money do I need? We're going to need about here. Please don't come back down. Just go. Just go. Go up. Oh, I hate this. You cannot be serious. Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Rip it. Oh, we're so close. Oh, please don't make me beg. I will. Don't. I should probably take this off. I should probably not mess with this. Come on, just go fill me. Come on. Come on. Just do it. Just do it. Oh my. Dude, I hate this. Holy cow. Like, are you kidding me? You couldn't just go up a couple more ticks? Stupid. Gosh, this market triggers me. Cannot be serious. Now go. I give up. Now it's going to rip higher. Watch. Watch. Oh, yeah. Yep. Look at that. Love to see it. I'm glad I'm not trading funded accounts today. New York session, once again, sucks. I might try again here. Oh my gosh, if I do and it doesn't work, I'm going to be so triggered. No gas in the mower? That's a good excuse, John. That's a great excuse. Oh my word. I was so close. I almost just took it off up here, but then I'm like, oh, you know, if I take it off, you know, it's going to go hit my target and then I'd be done for the day. But I decided, you know, then of course it doesn't work. Can't make it up. You just can't make this up. I'm so tempted. Yeah, now it's going to go. Yep, there it goes. Great job, market. Great job. Awesome job. Best job ever. Unbelievable. Oh, my. Look at it. Look at it. I know. I have PTSD from V-shaped reversal moves. That's why I got out. I've got PTSD. That's why I didn't hold. And now look where we're at. We'd be done. We'd be celebrating right now if I just held. Is the air horrible? Yeah, that's actually true, John. We should not venture outside today. I agree. I think we should not venture outside. It's not good. All right, market. Go ahead. Let's see if we can get triggered once again. You know we're going to rip higher. I mean, you just know we're going to do it. Oh, my God. Oh, no. I did not mean to do that. Actually, I did mean to do it. That was actually an accident. My finger, I got a cramp in my finger. Like literally got a cramp in my finger and it made me go long. It made me go long at the highs. What can go wrong? I actually double clicked accidentally. What could go wrong, chat? Come on, break out for me. Do it. Do it. Go. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. I hate when I get a cramp in my finger. Have you guys ever gotten that? Your finger is hovering right on your mouse, and your finger just gets one of these random twitches. You know, it's terrible. It's a terrible condition as a trader. It's called the itchy finger. It's an itchy trigger finger. Probably better to have this condition trading than it would be like as a sniper or something. Terry 88 happens 15 to 20 times a day. You might want to get that checked out, Terry. Oh man, I might act. This is dumb trading up here. This is a terrible idea. Terrible idea. That's why we're going to do it. Just trade the range. Just trade the range. How hard can it be? Oh, please help me. Jeez. You think it's funny, market? You think this is funny? Well, guess what? I got news for you. This is gonna, I can already tell. I can tell, Chad. This is not gonna be easy. We need $300 more. 300 more. And I already know. I can tell. It's gonna be brutal. It ain't gonna be easy. You don't need to do 1,500 the first day. You can slow down. I know I can. I can do a lot of things, Benjamin. I could do a lot of things. I could get my hair completely shaved off. I could get a full body wax. I could do a lot of things, but I don't want to. I want to make $1,500 the first day. You know why? Because I can. That's why. But we might go back and remind myself of this. If I end up blowing these accounts, Benjamin, I will personally send you a handwritten apology. And I will say, I wish I had listened. Okay? I promise. I promise I will. Yeah, full body wax. I mean, how hard can it be? You thought gingers didn't have body hair? You thought gingers didn't have body hair. Man, that's rough. What do you think? We're some kind of aliens? You don't, Trader Wiz, you do not want that at all. Trust me. Oh, hang on. We need $300, chat. How hard? Come on. Don't do it. Just go rip higher, fill me, and we can be happy. Do it. Do it. Do it. Go. Go. Oh, please tell me. Oh, you cannot. Oh, my. You cannot be serious. Chat. That is. You gotta go. I'm in. Oh, it's gonna hit it. Yes. Winner, winner. Let's go, chat. It's too easy. Oh, it's too easy, chat. Why would I settle for 1,100 when I can get 1,500? Oh, let's go. Now, the next 1,500 is probably going to be harder. Woo! Let's go, chat. We are feeling good, feeling good now. That is all I wanted. That is all I wanted for today. That is all I wanted. Which, by the way, maybe I didn't clarify this. When I hit my daily loss limit on this one Apex account, my Apex accounts are all locked out. Here, I think they're locked out. Let me double check. Yeah, they're all locked out. So we can't trade those accounts. We really can't. We're literally, we are good to go. From time to time, a gambler wins. Thank you, Penny Polisher. That's right. It's too easy. $14.50 on my Apex funded for day one. Let's go, Christopher. Let's go. No, these Apex accounts, they were the one day, they were the I would have paid $19 plus $59, which is 78. So I paid $78 for these Apex accounts. Now, had I known, but I'm fine. I would honestly, I would rather spend $19 on evals and then pay $59 to activate them than doing it $49 with no activation fee. Just my preference. Because I prefer to kind of YOLO my evals. My evals go through torture. Actually, no, they don't. My evals, I prefer to give my evals a quick and painless death. They either will survive and live, or it will be a quick and painless death. I prefer not to torture my evals. But man, I gotta say, this market not looking exactly great to trade. Rhythmic is back up for anyone wondering. Man, look at that. We faked out above the VWAP and right back down. Unbelievable. That is some diabolical price action. You know what? Let's go in and I'm going to lock out my take profit accounts. Just to make sure we don't do anything stupid. Man, I'm kind of in the mood. I'm in the mood to try to pass some other accounts. What could we... let me look. I want to check something out. Do I want to buy some more Tradeify accounts? I mean, I'm already over my expense budget for the month. I don't think the wife is going to realize if it's just, $500 more, is it really going to matter? I don't think so. I better check my expenses. I don't want it to be embarrassing. Oh, I really, some days I wish I would not know. I wish I wouldn't know what my expenses are per month. I know for a fact, 100% certainty, if I wasn't tracking my expenses per month and like sharing it with everybody, I would 100% be spending more. No doubt. It would be actually insane. But I think we can do a Tradeify. Okay, which Tradeify account do I want? I always go back and forth. Like, do I want a select account or the growth account? The growth account is less expensive, but it has a data loss limit. I just hate the data loss limit. I really do. But then I would have you know what? We're going to do the growth account or the select account. We're going to do select. And do I always have to? I'm not a robot. Okay, I've told you for the 100th time that I'm not a robot. So chill out. Oh, so 5-pack pricing, $548.10. Gosh, am I actually going to spend more money? Yeah, why not, chat? Hey, it's only money. You can't take it with you, right? You can't take it with you. And we're back. Now, 40% consistency. How much is that? So we need 3,000 times 40%. 1,200. All right. So we cannot make more than $1,200 on these select accounts. How hard can it be, chat? How hard can it be? Here we go. Brand spanking new. Never been used. Haven't even been touched. I'm going to trade micros. I'm going to trade micros on these accounts. All right, $1,200 is the goal. $1,200 is the goal, but it's okay to stop at like $800-900 as well. Hey, methodical man, you can take it with you, but I'm not sure how much it will help you. No, it will not. You know, when I hear that, when I hear the saying you can't take it with you, I always think of the story of it was an old grandpa, and he had a lot of money, and his family, he didn't care for his family. He didn't like his family. So he bought his own coffin, and then he took all his money and cash, and he lined the inside of his coffin with money, you know, basically hid it, and he got buried with it. So I guess he did take it with him. All right, trading micros. We're going to start with like 3 micros. I mean, how hard can it be? All right. I mean, I do like the longs. If we make a move back above this, we're going to take the longs. Ooh. Ooh. Now, don't let me down, market. Don't let me down. Why am I not? Oh, never mind. Thought I wasn't copy trading there for a second. Trade 10 minis. I don't even know. What is the max? I think you can only trade 2 minis. I think the max you can trade on these accounts is 2. Come on, market. Do it. Give me a breakout. We need to break above the 520s. That's it. Keep ripping. Just keep going. See, the market can't trigger me. I'm just trading micros. Go ahead. I dare you, market. I dare you to come lower and retest the 420s. Go ahead. Be my guest. I'll DCA like like you've never seen. Shane Lowry. Scheffler is 2 under. DeChambeau is back to 3 under. 10-second rule. Yeah, we don't need to worry about the 10-second rule. We're good. We're good. Nothing to worry about. No setup. Actually, this was a perfect setup. We were literally retested and broke above. It's actually a good setup. No lie. 100%. Spending 9 months in Florida being good for the kids because they go to school in Florida. So we don't want to have them up here and then have to put them into school halfway through or 3 months in. We want them to be part of the school when it starts and then keep them in school all year long. That's why that was the purpose of that comment. Nutty's 2.2 patches like Ninja Trader's new update. Lots of errors. Yeah, we're currently working on patch notes for 2.3. Developers having a lot of issues. They might look to roll back the 2.2 update and just go back to the 2.0 version. Or we might need to skip to 3.0. That's a good point. Oh, really, Market? Really? You think that's funny? Stupid Market. Ah, chat. Why does it have to be like this? You think I was kidding when I said I'm going to DCA, but I'm actually going to do it. But I'm about to get mad if this thing keeps going lower. You gotta be kidding me. You kidding me right now? I'm getting so, this is so bull. Got an idea, Market. You want to go lower? Let's go. Go ahead. Let's go. Stupid Market. course, of course, of course. Can't go lower now. Oh no, no, let's not go lower. Come on, just go lower. You've been wanting to go lower. Just do it. Oh my gosh, this thing. This is insane. Stupid mark. No comment. Don't talk to me. You know who needs a patch? You know what needs a patch, guys? You think Nutty needs another patch? No, that is not the problem here. You know who needs a patch? This stupid market. That's who needs a patch notes. That's who needs an update. This market. You all know it's true too. Stupid market. Oh yeah, go ahead and rip higher now. Go ahead. I dare you. I dare you to go up to the 420s. I will short. I'm only going to short now, okay? We're going to short. Market wants to go lower. That's fine with me. Go, let's do it. I'm on board. Hmm. I give up. Are you serious? Why did I buy these accounts? It's so dumb. Come on, just dump it. You wanted to go lower, now go. Oh my gosh. You have got to be kidding me. I can't. This thing is, I mean, this market is so stupid. I don't care. I don't care what you say. Hey, market said it wants to go higher now. All right, let's go higher. Watch. Watch what'll happen. Watch, chat. Keep a close eye on this. It's going to rip lower now. Guaranteed. 100% guaranteed. My brain hurts. My brain hurts. It physically hurts. We're going to take a break. We're going to take a break. Oh. Hey, Road Trades, you got the 250K account from Top Step? Oh, is that the one that costs $500? Oh man. That's crazy. Look at this thing. But the problem is this is from the 360s to the 460s. Like that's 100-point move higher, and now there's 100-point move back down. It's insane. I don't know. Hey, you're up 13K on the month. Let's go, Roa Trades. You're killing it. Oh, I love to see it. With who? Who are you up with the most? I know you trade multiple different ones, but which prop firm have you been killing it with? That's Lucid Tradified Opstead. That's awesome, Road Trades. That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Then you can spend some money on some of those accounts a lot easier. When you're around break even or in a losing month or whatever. Want to check outside? Wow. It is still really smoky out there. Lots of smoke. All right, market. I don't even know what I'm going to look. I don't know what I'm looking for here. I mean, I think we want to go short, but just not sure we can trust this market right now. I mean, I'm going to have to go short. We failed to make new highs again and again. And I just don't want to go short right here at the 380s. Hey, Ace Undercovers here. Good morning. Hey, Top G. What state? Technically from Ohio. I am in Ohio currently, but I also I'm in Florida quite a bit. I guess technically I'm a Florida resident. Technically. Hey, golf guy Mike, this market is something else. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. I'm just thankful that I locked myself out of my Apex accounts. Yeah, I'm just this is frustrating. I don't know. I want to wait. I mean, I contemplating. I could go short right here at this break, but gosh, do I do it? I'm gonna do it. Why not? Why not get punished again? Why not? Come on, just give me one of those big drops. Seldom trade a breakout, but maybe. Fine, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take it. We gotta battle our way back. We cannot blow these growth accounts. Really don't want to blow these. But this looks like we want to revisit the lows. It is starting to look like we want to revisit the 260s, which I'm fine with it. If we get another short entry, maybe revisit the 380s. You know, we're not just going to go straight down. I don't think we will. What platform is this? This is NinjaTrader. This is NinjaTrader using the Affordable Indicators account dashboard for my, basically showing all my accounts and my P&L. All right, here we go. We're going to try it. Please don't do the V-shaped move higher. Please. I'm begging. Man, I would love to hold till here. I doubt I'm going to be able to, but come on. This is where it's so hard to hold. I mean, come on, dump it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Just do it. Do it. Okay, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to take my profit and run. Even though I do think it keeps going lower. Actually, you know what? I forgot. We do need to be mindful. We do need to be mindful of the 10-second rule. We got to remember. I'm pretty sure that was 10 seconds, though. Yeah, I don't. At this point, I think we take out that 260 level. But the thing is, look at the 4-hour chart. If we take out the 200s, I mean, we do have some straggling support here, but on the daily chart, this thing starts to, I don't know, maybe this thing could dump. I don't know. Just don't trust it. This thing could rip 200 points higher. It's a blink of an eye. And for no reason, just because. All right, do I take another short? I mean, I think I do. I'm gonna do it. Gotta get ready in it. I just gotta get out of this thing. If this starts ripping, we just gotta bail. Oh my gosh, that makes me so mad. It's like the mark, it's like it heard me. Oh, it makes me so mad. Still want to go short though. So hard to hold. Kidding me? Let's try again. Let's try again. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure, chat. This might not be meant to be. I'm not sure about this. Absolutely diabolical. It's really going to rip higher now. I hate this. Actually pathetic. Oh, Marky, you are so stupid. Now go lower. Keep going, you idiot. Go. Dude. Dude. Please don't make me break stuff. Don't. Gosh. All we need to do is break this 360 and make new lows. Come on. I should probably not be trading minis, but I don't know. This might. Which nutty version are we on? This current version doesn't have a version. This current version is in beta. We're currently testing out a beta version, chat. There is no version to this one. It's beta. You're currently seeing a live example of beta testing. Don't worry, though. Everything is under control. All systems are functionally as they should. Hard to believe, but it's all good. Man, I want to go short. I want to short this, but I don't trust this stupid market. As soon as you think, oh, now we're going to go lower and we're going to retest the lows, it'll rip 100 points higher just because. Go ahead and torture me again. Go ahead, give it to me. Come on, give me new lows. Give me below the 340s. Please. Please. Come on. You kidding me? Come on. Dump it. See what I mean, chat? This is why I have gray hair. Come on, dump it. Seriously, just dump it. Oh my God. I don't care. I don't care anymore, chat. We have entered the stage of I do not care. Otherwise known as, hold on. I give up. You win, market. You win. I give up. I give up. You win, market. You win. It's impossible. It's impossible. I'm dead serious. I am not joking when I say we might start trading ES during the New York session. I'm so sick and tired of this. I'm so sick of this market right now. Like, what are we doing? Just 100 points up again, 100 points down. It's absolutely crazy. I'm so glad I'm not trading my funded, but I'm so annoyed. We need to walk away. We need to walk away. This. Like, why? Just insane. Actually insane. Was there some kind of news? I was ready to say, John, I might trade gold. I might trade silver. I think gold and silver would be better. Be better than NQ. Look at this. Like trash. Absolute trash. Why not trade micros? I should have. Look at this. Ah, man. You just cannot make this up. No news, of course not. Oh, it's so annoying. Gosh, I'm so annoyed. So annoyed. Really? You're gonna make me do CAPTCHA? Just shut up and take my money. Gosh. Like, oh, really? Really? You're gonna... Credit card fraud. Credit card fraud. Idiot. Why are you talking? Dude, just take my money. Stop with this stupid CAPTCHA stuff. What is wrong with this thing? Oh my... I'm convinced Tradify is doing this to me just to put me on tilt on even more. Part of their plan. Like, are you kidding me? Oh my... Whatever. I guess I can't. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Can't even reset. It's like, fine, don't worry about it. Oh, what? Like, why? Why can't? It just keeps saying that it. I don't know why, but somehow, for some reason, that's not letting me reset. Shut up and take my money, you idiot. Your payment could not be completed because it was declined by our security checks. What security checks? What are you talking about? Whatever. You know what? They win. They win. I will I give up. I give up. This market can take the win today, but we'll be back. Actually, yeah, I think it's a sign. I think God is reaching down into the interwebs and saying, we need to shut Nutty off. We need to cut him off. He has breached his budget for the month, and it's time to shut him off. Fine, I get the hint. I get it. I get it. Your wife has locked you out. Ooh. Maybe my wife might have, maybe she locked all the cards. Oh, snap. All right, I give up. I'm getting so sick and tired of these New York sessions. I'm not even joking. I'm actually going to look into ES. NQ is turning into a bastard child, and I just can't. I just can't with it. I tried to like NQ. I tried to make up. I tried to be polite. I tried to be nice. I've tried everything. I've tried to negotiate. I've been talking. I've tried to talk nice to it. I've tried everything. And NQ just don't care. Just a bastard child. You know, it's just terrible. We can't reason. There's no common sense, nothing. It's just absolute insanity. And I get it. I get it. It's time to move on. It's not me, it's you. I'm not kidding. The overnight trading is 10 times better than this New York session. It's been that way for the past 3 weeks. Don't ask me why, but it's true. All right, guys. I don't know. We're gonna have Nutty 2.2. We're gonna have to take the rest of the day off and work on some patch notes. We're going to have to do some serious patches. The beta version is going to have to be shelved, I think. It's not looking good. It's true, Matty Matt. The actual continuation moves are way more likely to happen in the overnight than it is lately in the New York. New York session, chop fest, V-shaped reversal, trash. Trash can. Anyway, guys, I also have an announcement to make. Tomorrow, listen, chat. Tomorrow, something came up. I have a very important meeting early in the morning. It's going to require my full attention, and it's going to take like 4 hours. It's like a 4-hour meeting, very important. So we gotta do that, and it only works in the mornings. You know, it's one of those meetings where it's kind of I have to. Yeah, it's important. That's all you need to know, chat. It's a very important meeting. So I'm not going to be able to stream tomorrow. As much as I would love to, you know, these business meetings, they happen. Sometimes they're out of my control. Look at this market. Look at this stupid thing. Look at it. Look at this stupid thing. Imagine trading this trash. Wow. Wouldn't be me. Wouldn't be me. An announcement that you're pregnant. Oh. Yeah, I guess. That's unfortunate. We'll be back on Monday. We'll be back on Monday, though. So we'll be back on Monday, chat. I do appreciate you guys. Sorry I was so frustrated today. That really made me mad. I'll try to do better. Nutty 2.3 will be better. Hopefully we can patch a couple of these little irregular things we're seeing, and hopefully it'll be better. The rich keep getting richer. All right, chat. I do appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Have a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday. I'm going to try not to trade at all tomorrow. I just have a bad feeling about this week. I've got a bad feeling. I don't want to trade tomorrow. I'm going to try really, really hard. The only account I might trade is the trade day accounts, just so I can request that payout tomorrow. But yeah, thank you, John. All right, take care, everybody. Appreciate every one of you. We'll be back on Monday.